ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, ụmụnne m ndị Imo, ụmụnne m ndị Nigeria, ụmụnne m ndị Igbo, ekenekwa m unu. I want to introduce you to Fozi Properties, Fozi Estate, Amala Ngorokpala in Imo State, Nigeria. And the home is Unique Homes. This is a wonderful property that is up for sale. From now to the first week of September, we'll be giving out these wonderful unique homes for 2.5 million. I repeat, 2.5 million. Buy a land and buy a future. Bakande na watacha asụsụ bekee. Anyị na kpọmkwem na Fozi Properties. And ala anyị regebe ka a na-akpọ Unique Homes. 2.5 million. Shitu ugbu a na-eru the first week of September. Always hanging review because I cross Hana first week of September. Here we are, 25 minutes to Port Harcourt Airport, 20 minutes to Owerri Airport, and just 6 minutes drive. Ebo bikobi when ministry here. Eba hot cake. It's 2 plus I wear here. It's 10 plus I wear here. It's 50 plus I wear here. It's 100 plus I wear here. We have plus and plus of land here. So this is your opportunity to come and grab this land. 2.5 between now and September 2024. First week here. After the first week of September, one day, anya kushie, anya tige yogo.